So yesterday I had 40 pounds of apples and I got a little bit over 4 gallons of apple juice. I've got 5 containers here, so 4.5. Made the apple juice and then put yeast in it, so I'm going to turn this into hard apple cider. It's going to take between a week and 4 weeks to fully develop, and then at that point we got right here that thing floating in this jar. This is hard apple cider already, and I don't know how to describe it. That thing that's floating in there is called the SCOBY, and that is going to turn all of these into apple cider vinegar. And the apple cider vinegar is the base to my magic potion. So the magic potion has in it equal amounts of horseradish, which I'm starting to juice over here. This horseradish came out of the yard, and so I don't have it in this bath. In the bath, I've got the little bubbles that you can see is the ozone generator putting ozone into the water, and there's onion, garlic, ginger, and habanero peppers. And my recipe calls for equal amounts of all of these, and that's equal amounts of the juice. So I don't measure anything, that's the way I roll. So I'm going to juice all of this stuff together. I just made a guess as to my equal amounts, and then once I get that amount, say it's whatever, 24 ounces, then I'll add 24 ounces of the apple cider vinegar to it, and that's going to be the magic potion. Wipes out colds, flu, all kinds of crazy things, and it lasts pretty much forever. So there's the ozone generator turning off, and it's ready for me to continue juicing all this stuff. I had a text a couple days ago from my son saying, "Mom, can you please bring me some potion to school?" So I took him the potion, but it's kind of weak, it's not strong enough. So here we go. All this apple cider that's going to be apple cider vinegar will not be ready in time for the potion, so I will buy some ready-made apple cider vinegar at the grocery store and use that. We'll see you next time.